honestly, it looks like the black guy might have stole something from the white man or did something that he didn't like.
I'm black, and I agree with you. That's what it looks like to me. And basically, when you see a white man chasing a black man, I'm sorry. A white man is not going to chase a black man for no reason.
How do you know?
That's racist against your own race.
I know what I see, and I know what I know.
But it's more typical in my experience that a black guy is going to steal from you than a black guy is going to shoot you.
What experience is that? Have you ever been gunpoint by a black man?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Yes. Personally, I have. When I walk past a black guy, then after I pass him, I make sure I still have my wallet. And that's no joke.
This is also coming from
A black mother with 3 children and a white mother with 3 children. Let's see if our group feels differently about the women.
When I see a white woman with kids, I think that she probably does have a good husband to help support the kids. She probably went to college, and she has a stable family to help take care of her kids.
I think they're well taken care of. They're going to be put through college. They're going to have money. They're going to have a bank account ready for them just in case something happens to them.
The dad's probably got some type of manager position making the money. She generally will have a job, but she could also be a stay-at-home mother.
She's got it made. She's white. Her skin is white. The white woman doesn't have to worry about anything.
She might be on welfare if she has 3 kids because she might be too lazy to work.
When I see a black woman with a lot of kids, I automatically think hood rat. I think she's on welfare, and she's also got, like, possibly a father for each of the kids.